How to sign into Siemens Employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in Siemens Employee Login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Scroll down and navigate to this one website option, Siemens.net My ID Employee Login. Open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, go ahead and type in the email address. Then click on next. In the next page, you will need to type in the password. In the case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of forget password to recover it. After you provide these details, click on sign in and with that you will be logged into your account. Or also you can use email code to log into your account. If you want to do so, click on the option of email code too. With that, you will be receiving code in your email address that's linked with your account. You have to type in that code and with that you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can easily sign into Siemens Employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.